Roehl Transport Review. My honest user experience with this trucking company. If you've ever considered a career in trucking, you've probably heard of Roehl Transport. Hire one of the largest trucking companies in the US, but are they really as good as they claim? I worked with them, and here's my honest experience. Most people get this wrong. They think all trucking companies are the same, but Roehl stands out in a few key ways. First, their paid QTL training program is one of the best in the industry. You can earn your commercial license while getting paid, which helps reduce the financial pressure most new drivers face. Their safety record is also impressive. Roehl puts a huge emphasis on safety training, strict hours of service compliance, and modern equipment. During my time there, I drove newer trucks with up-to-date tech and comfortable interiors, small things that make long hauls much easier. Pay is competitive, especially for company drivers. Roehl offers mileage pay, performance bonuses, and even home time options like home every week or 14 on, 7 off, which most trucking companies rarely provide. That said, it's not perfect. Like any large company, communication can be hit or miss and schedules aren't always predictable. But Roehl genuinely tries to balance safety, earnings, and driver satisfaction, something not many carriers manage well. Overall, Roehl Transport is a solid choice whether you're a new driver or an experienced one looking for a reliable company. They offer structure, good pay, and safety-focused operations. If you're looking for stability and a clear career path in trucking, Roehl delivers exactly that.